In this video, we will show you how to remove person from photo. In here, you can using free tools called AirBrush Object Remover. You can see this is the URL, airbrush.com/object-remover. In here, you can upload your image or photo. For example, we have this and we want to remove this person. Okay, we can using auto method. When you click people, the auto method is processing your image. You can wait until the selection is done. For example, we can click erase. Please wait until the processing image is done. You can see the man is gone from our photo. It left the skateboard. How you can remove this skateboard? Just you can click manual method. Okay, you can using manual and select this. Okay, and you can using this brush to brush the object or people you want to remove. Now I think it's enough. You can click erase. Voila. Now the person and the skateboard that we want to remove is successfully removed with smooth AI background here. Okay, and that's all how you can remove a person from a photo with easy way. But the airbrush object remover that you can use every day is 3 times. So make sure you use the first time selection with perfect. So you don't need more than 1 time, and hope this video helpful for you.